Have you ever wondered why we don't sense the Earth's movement, even though it's spinning at incredible speeds? Today, we'll explore this fascinating question and uncover the science behind it. Let's start by understanding the Earth's rotation. This giant sphere we call home continuously spins on its axis, much like a top. And it's not just leisurely twirling, it's moving at a jaw-dropping speed of around 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than a commercial jet. Yet, despite this, when we step outside, we don't feel like we're on a spinning amusement park ride. We don't sense the rush of wind in our hair, the pull of inertia, or any sensation of spinning. So, how come we don't notice this incredible motion? Why is it that despite living on a rapidly spinning planet, we feel perfectly still? The Earth rotates on its axis at a speed of about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. Despite this high speed, we don't feel any sensation of spinning. Why is that? To understand this, think about a common experience: sitting in a moving car. When the car is cruising at a steady speed, the motion is nearly undetectable. It's the sudden starts and stops, the abrupt changes in direction, that make us aware of the car's movement. It's not the motion itself, but the changes in motion that our bodies are tuned to detect. Now let's apply this concept to our spinning Earth. Our planet pirouettes on its axis at a nearly constant speed with no sudden jolts or abrupt stops. Because of this steady spin, we don't experience any noticeable acceleration or deceleration, which would trigger our senses to feel the motion. So, just as we can read a book without feeling dizzy in a smoothly moving car, we can live our lives on this spinning globe without feeling the Earth's dance through space. Similarly, the Earth spins at a nearly constant speed, and because there's no sudden change in its rotational velocity, we don't feel the motion. This constant speed means we experience no acceleration that our bodies would need to detect. Another reason we don't feel the Earth's rotation is due to gravity. Now, gravity is this incredible force that pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. It's the very reason we're able to walk on the ground without floating away. But what does gravity have to do with us not feeling the Earth's rotation? You see, as the Earth spins, it creates a centrifugal force. This force pushes everything on the Earth's surface outward in the opposite direction of gravity. But here's the catch. This centrifugal force is pretty weak, especially when compared to gravity. So while it's trying to push us away, gravity is much stronger and pulls us back towards the Earth. This tug of war between the two forces results in us staying firmly planted on the ground. The centrifugal force caused by the Earth's rotation is much weaker than the force of gravity, so it doesn't have a noticeable effect on us. Moreover, the Earth's atmosphere rotates along with the planet. This vast blanket of gas that surrounds our globe is not separate from it, but is instead an integral part of the Earth's system. Just as a spinning dancer's dress flares out and moves with her, so too does the Earth's atmosphere move with our planet. This synchronized movement means that everything within the atmosphere, from the highest cirrus clouds to the air we breathe, is traveling at the same speed as the Earth's surface. Imagine being on a moving walkway at an airport. You, the walkway, and everything on it are all moving at the same speed, giving you the illusion of stillness. It's the same with our planet and its atmosphere. This shared journey through space is another reason why we humans, living and breathing within this moving envelope of air, do not sense the Earth's rotation. Because we're moving in sync with the planet and its atmosphere, we don't feel the rotation. The Earth's rotation is a fascinating example of how physics works in our everyday lives. We've discovered that our planet's constant speed, the force of gravity, and the synchronized movement of the atmosphere all play a part in why we don't sense the Earth's rotation. This incredible phenomenon is all thanks to the principles of inertia and constant velocity. As a physicist might say, it's a testament to the incredible balance and stability of our planet's motion. Now you've got the inside scoop on why, despite spinning at around 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, we don't feel like we're on a dizzying carousel ride. Instead, we experience life in a stable, steady manner. So, while the Earth spins at high speeds, we remain blissfully unaware, thanks to the principles of physics that govern our world. The next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're standing on a planet that's constantly spinning through space.